Hello, my name is Mary and I'm French, so sorry for my accent. I've been working with Blake from the cooking dog for several years now. I worked on the recipes, but I also took a lot of food photos and some videos. By being part of the cooking dog team, I'm here to help you with healthy, quick and delicious recipes. And today we're gonna start with a very good ravioli stir fry and I'm sure you're gonna love it. So let's go. Horizon guy, about to take off, it's gonna be crazy.
When you go hard, got it planned out. Chilling in the seat out of the cloud. You go hard, but you come down right away. Tell you about a man, man I knew. This man goddamn got cooler than cooler with a man. What he do? The most beautiful amount of the goodest screw loose. August 10th, he took a joyride. He was but an airbag, his handler at an airline. And then he rolled him a flight from the landing strip and steered it to the runway. Jumping in and Eileen, man, blast the gist. The radio's radio, where you going? The questions, said who you is and next people. Scott King. When you go hard,